Did you know that half of Americans can't answer basic questions about money correctly? We are not talking about advanced investments, stocks, or we are talking about the basics: interest, inflation, budget, retirement, and the worst. This lack of knowledge is costing dearly in wrong decisions, growing debts, and wasted years of work. Today, I'm going to show you why this happens, and how you can get rid of this statistic with 3 simple decisions. Then take a deep breath, because this may be the most important video you'll ever see about your financial freedom. Let's face reality. The US is the world's largest economy, but it is also the country where most of the population lives in constant financial stress. According to the TIAA and GFLEC survey, more than 50% of American adults fail basic financial literacy tests. 58% have no money saved for an emergency. 35% still carry credit card debts, often paying fees in excess of 20% per year. And the most serious, most do not even know how it started to curl. The truth is that this does not happen by laziness or lack of intelligence. It happens for a deeper reason. Nobody teaches us how to handle money. The lack of financial education. You spend years learning math, science, history. But has anyone ever taught you how to handle credit cards? How to set a budget? How to get out of debt? Probably not. And that's why the system seems to be made to keep you trapped. See what Dr. Annamaria Lusardi, one of the leading financial literacy experts in the US, says. Most of the financial decisions that people face today are complex. But the level of financial knowledge did not keep up with this complexity. And that's where the silent collapse begins. People buy what you don't need. Finance is something without understanding the real costs. They rely on advice from the wrong people, and they remain stuck in a cycle of stress, guilt, and frustration. The lack of knowledge in personal finance affects everything. It's not just about money. It's about your mental health, your relationships, your ability to say no to a toxic boss, your freedom to choose where and how to live. How many decisions in your life were made based on money you didn't have? And how many opportunities did you miss because you were afraid of losing what little you had? Financial ignorance takes a very high emotional price. Before you think about investing, saving, or undertaking, you need to do one thing: understand exactly where you are today. This is where most get lost. But calm down. I will guide you. Grab a piece of paper or open the notepad on your phone. Ask these 5 questions now. 1. How much do you earn per month? 2. How much do you spend on everything? Rent, food, transportation, debts, leisure. 3. Do you know exactly how much you owe? To whom? What interest rate? 4. Do you have any money saved today? How long does it support you? 5. Do you have control, or does money control you? Answering these questions can be uncomfortable, but it is in this discomfort that the transformation begins. Who learns, transforms. Here's some good news. The same GFLEC study found that people with high financial literacy are almost 3 times more likely to have emergency reserves. In addition, they take fewer bad loans. They invest more safely, feel more confident about the future. In other words, knowledge is power. Literally, the beginning of everything. Mentality and micro actions. If you got this far, congratulations. You are already ahead of millions of people who have never stopped to think about it. But now comes the most important part. You need to act. And acting is not changing your whole life tomorrow. Start small, but start now. Open a spreadsheet and write down your expenses. Study 15 minutes a day on finance with reliable sources such as CFPs. Cut an unnecessary expense and redirect that amount to a reserve. Exchange the high-interest credit card for one with cashback or better benefits. Share this video with someone who also needs to wake up to reality. The power is in your hands. You don't need an MBA in economics. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to understand everything. You just need the will to learn, clarity of where you are, and discipline to continue. Financial freedom is not about earning millions. It's about having peace, control, and choices. And it starts with knowledge and action. Now that you understand why half the country is stuck in financial trouble and how you can get out of this statistic, in the next chapter, I'll show you how to build financial self-knowledge in a simple and effective way, even if you hate spreadsheets or think finance is complicated. If this interests you, and should already subscribe to the channel, activate the bell and comment below. I refuse to be a statistic. And if you want to accelerate your financial transformation, check out the links below with recommended tools. They may be the practical step that was missing for you.